Hi friends, good day, how are you? This is my important urgent update for 27th of January, Thursday. Well, the market opened with the critical volatility and many things happens because of the fact that S&P cut the credit levels of Japan. And as you know, this is the first time since 2010 that it happens, and it's all because of Japanese amazingly big, amazingly huge debt, right? What does it mean? It took the dollar yen all the way up suddenly, right? Bam, up, it flied up, but we still, for long run, for entry, we're still waiting for this triangle to be broken up. Well, once it happened, we have a long signal. Until then, it's all speculation of the investors. What about the euro? The euro reacted the same way. Watch what happened. Bam, down again. Right? It was all suddenly, all powerfully, and all the market was affected because of it. But after 1 hour only, the euro still continues to ride this uptrend line, despite of the positions of all the indicators. Right? And from the second side, it blocked on this resistance, right? As I've mentioned on the weekly review, right? So divergence push it down, the resistance push it down, the fundamental stuff push it down, but the euro still zigzagging. What are we doing yet? We are sitting on the fence. We are waiting patiently until this line will be broken. Right? The resistance, the divergence is there, everything is there, but still we have to wait. All this situation look like a situation that my good friend call a waking bear trap. A waking bear trap. Well, it looks like the market are really getting ready for a bearish move, but before a bearish move begins, you all know it. We have critical volatility, critical zigzag that cutted the short stop losses. So be aware of it, right? And I will say more of it if we watch the dollar U.S. dollar index. Watch what happened here, friends. Can you see this critical bullish divergence on the MACD? But from the second side, we see this downtrend line that still was not broken, right? So on the 4 hour chart, it pushed up. On the 1 hour chart, it pushed up. On the daily chart, the MACD start to push up, but for the long run, we still, do you remember from the weekly review, right? Do you remember these levels? We still have a little more to go down. We may see even a double bottom, sorry, being created around these levels, right? A double bottom being created around these levels, and then this bullish divergence will take effect. Okay, so the dollar is getting ready for the bullish move. It's not a question at all. You can see that this divergence, right? But we must be patient and respect the market and respect this zigzagging because they cut it, the short stop losses, and we must be careful because of it. Right? Just memorize this divergence because after such divergences, look what happened usually. This was a bearish divergence. Here we had a bullish divergence. Right? Here we had another bearish divergence. Look what happened. Okay, so now it looks like we are about to have a bullish divergence soon during the next weeks. Okay, that's on the weekly chart. On the 4 hour chart, we still have the possibility that this line will be broken soon. It might continue down a little more until the all the way to the weekly chart. All right, but be aware of this divergence because once it happens, we will see all the way up. Another situation I want you to look for is a situation if the dollar will not break this downtrend line on the 4 hour chart, and it might continue, right? Little more up. In this case, if the euro close above 137.40, it might continue all the way to the next resistance, which is here. around 138.50, little even higher, right? What about the Australian? The Australian keeps moving on this uptrend line, but from the other hand, we can see, right, that the Australian has this divergence, this sideway move. Sorry. Okay, can you see it, friends? This sideway move. Okay, it had some attempts to break up, but it was they were fake attempts. Once we close above parity level, we continue up. Once we close below the 098.50, probably we will see this going down. Until these levels are not broken, okay, the market will keep zigzagging, and please be careful because of it. Right? About the New Zealandian, one of the greatest pair, we have this a downtrend line. We have this bearish divergence. What does it mean? We might see a break up and continue to the 080 level, right? If it happens, but we also can see a reversal pattern and a down move in this area and actually in this channel, right? So what will happen? No one knows. No one knows. I know one thing. It's going to continue this zigzag. The fight between the awakening bear on the market and the hungry bull will continue. That's for sure. And we will see this zigzagging as we saw now. So just be careful, friends. Right? Even the Euro British Pound, one of the pair I'm looking for a break, was blocked yet on this uptrend line. Also, can you see it? What does it mean? Will we see an uptrend again? Not sure at all. Not sure at all. And why not? Because watch this resistance. Watch the MACD stop around this level. Watch the stochastic crosses down. Right? So no one actually knows what's about to happen, but definitely we are about to see interesting things on the market. So I watched the euro. I watched the Australian dollar with the siding moves. I watched the New Zealandian with the downtrend line. I watched the dollar yen with the triangle, and I watched, of course, this dollar index, right, on these levels. So, friends, be aware of this situation on the market. It's going to be very interesting. So this is my urgent update for today, Thursday, 27th of January. Just thank you for watching, and I wish you the best trading. But please be careful in such situation. When it ends, when this situation ends, we will see a new trend on the market. Have the best day, Vladimir.